How to apply for Lloyds Bank credit card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to apply for the credit card of Lloyds Bank, here is how you can do it. First of all, head over to any of your preferred browser and search for lloydsbank.com. After that, tap on the menu section and scroll down to find credit cards. If you cannot find it here, you can scroll down on the home page and under our products, swipe on the left to find credit cards. Next, tap on check your eligibility. This way you can check about different credit cards and the eligibility criteria. Once that is done, tap on check now button. This will now take you to this page. If you want to log in or apply for the credit card, you must be age 18 or over, be a UK resident, have a regular income, not be currently bankrupt or subject to individual voluntary arrangement, and not have already applied for the card and been declined in the last 30 days. The information required will be your annual income, the account number and sort code of your main current account, and other additional verification details. Once that is done, you can continue by filling up the form and providing all the details asked. Once that is done, submit the application and you have successfully applied for the Lloyds Bank credit card. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.